Alrighty, we've already had some constructive feedback on the first video that was made. One of the things that was asked was, number one, that it was kind of long, about 10 minutes, so we're going to do shorter videos. And number two, I didn't actually point out a file, and that's going to be a thing that technicians just have an issue with. We take for granted, we take a lot of things for granted when it comes to computers because we've been doing it for so long. We just know what a file is, what a folder is, good things like that. But that's with anybody. So anyway, here we go. One of the problems, or in the first video, it wasn't a problem. It's just an oversight on my part, is that I didn't go into what an actual file is. So anyway, here is an actual file. When we go down here to our Start button, we go to Start, then go to My Computer, then we go to our C drive, which is our hard drive. These are folders. They all have a folder icon. Okay, and within folders, you will actually see Windows files. So we'll go and find a file that everybody's familiar with. We'll go to Program Files, this is where all of the applications that are loaded on your computer are located. Now we scroll down, and you will see, if I can find it, Internet Explorer. And these right here that I'm going to highlight in blue, these are actual files. So you have C. Let me scoot this here into the middle of the screen. C. We went into the folder Program Files. We went into the folder Internet Explorer. And here is our actual Internet Explorer application. It is the actual file that when you click on the E on your computer, it actually runs this file right here. And I can show you because this is a shortcut here. Well, fiddlesticks. Well, when I create a shortcut on the desktop, when you right click it and go down here to Properties, C, Program Files, Internet Explorer, and the actual file that's being opened is iexplore.exe. And your computer has thousands of files. You'll have cache files, you'll have operating system files, you'll have program files, which are programs that you've installed on your computer. You'll have hundreds of folders, because in order to organize all of the files, normally we organize them into folders. So you'll have a program called, obviously, you'll have a program file folder called Internet Explorer, because it wouldn't make much sense if you just had one folder called Program Files and then just threw all programs files in that folder. It would be so disorganized. So that is why you'll see different applications. Like here is a program file folder for AVG, which is an antivirus. Here's a program file folder for Java. Usually any program that you install on your computer is going to create a program file folder, and then within that folder you will have actual files. So you'll have Internet Explorer, you'll have Java's application, you'll have AVG, and so there you go. I hope this tutorial's been helpful, and I appreciate you, and y'all have a wonderful day.